Load your family into the 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, front fog lights, skid plates, and much more. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.